She pours her soul into a glowing screen,
begging for proof she was ever seen.
4 likes, then nothing, then silence again.
A handful of pills, now her only friend.
A short walk to the bridge under cold street lights.
One small step and it's sweet goodnight.
And golden color through museum glass.
A face on a banner as she walks past.
Vincent van Gogh beneath starry blue.
She almost keeps walking,
but something pulls her through. Fields of gold beneath aching skies.
Stars swirling like heaven itself was alive.
Sunflowers bleed their colors on the floor.
Crowds praising a man they ignored before.
Brilliant,
genius,
one of a kind.
Funny how they only love you once you die.
But where were they when he starved alone?
Painting sunflowers
nobody wanted to own.
She touches the frame with trembling hands.
Then the colors start moving like they understand.
The night sky swirls where the ready one sees.
Cypresses dance in immortal breeze.
The sunflowers were beautiful
before anybody cared.
The stars still burned even when nobody stared.
You don't need their eyes for the light to exist.
You don't need their love to be worth what you give.
Create for the ache, for the fire, for the beautiful mistake. Worth was never theirs to give or take. Pills pull her under, the gallery fades.
Suddenly she's barefoot in yellow waves.
There he is, thin as death, straw hat stained red.
Gun pressed to his chest, eyes already dead.
Blood on his ear,
pain on his hand.
A genius eating his own sorrow
like a starving man.
He doesn't see her,
but he feels her there.
Another suicide walking through his nightmare.
Same hunger, same silence, same unshed tears.
Her painted stars
that no one would buy.
Cut off my ear
so the voices would die.
Wrote letters full of begging, had pockets full of holes.
Told myself I was worthless,
carved that into my soul. But I kept painting
because that's who I am.
If I had waited for the world to approve,
these fields would be empty,
these skies unmoved.
Little sister,
the tragedy isn't that we die.
It's believing your light needs their permission to shine.
The night sky swirls whether anyone sees, and somewhere a messed up girl sadly grieves.
She watches him in that little room bleed out and slowly die. She feels his sorrow flood into her veins.
The same crushing silence, the same fucking pain.
Then at the very end,
as the last color
leaves his eyes,
he lifts his head.
Somehow he knows she's near.
Another lost soul
drowning in the same fear.
And for one brief moment
he sees her standing there,
broken, bitter, small,
a mirror of every night.
He wanted to end it all.
Then he smiles,
tired,
gentle,
knowing,
as if to say,
beautiful beautiful things do not always get loved, but they burn anyway.
Unseen, uncared,
and still they pour out their colors.
still they dare.
She reaches out,
He's already gone.
but in his dying eyes,
She finally sees,
the lonely man who died,
believing he was unseen,
and yet still painted
and dared to dream.
La tristesse durera toujours.
The sadness will last forever.